What's up, fourth graders? My name is Example Student. I'm in your fourth grade math class at Noble Academy. You just never seen me before. But yeah, my name is Example Student, and I've been having some of my friends tell me that they don't know how to get into their Google Classroom, so I'm gonna make a video to show you how to do it, and so you can do it too and get your homework done. People be asking Miss Spears all the time, what do I do for math? Well, you know what, guys? This is what you have to do for math. So let me show you what you gotta do. So I'm gonna share my screen with you so you can see what I'm doing. I got into my email every single day. I check my email, and my email tells me what my teachers have been sending me. So it looks like Miss Spears sent me the lesson plans for this week. So I'm gonna click on lesson plans. And I got everything I need for fourth grade lesson plans right here. So this was a couple weeks ago, but it's okay. This slide tells you what their links are each day. Now I didn't put all the links on here because you can't put those on YouTube. Crazy people be getting into our Zoom sessions if I put those on here, but in yours and your email, it'll have it on there. So Miss Smith has a YouTube channel. Miss Spears has a YouTube channel. Mr. Hill's got a Zoom link, and so do Miss Spears and Miss Smith, and they tell you on here when they want you to Zoom with you if you can. So passwords and stuff are on there too. Again, I'm not showing it on here because I can't show it on YouTube, but on your email, it's on there. So Monday, this is what all they want me to do. Miss Smith has some things for me to do. Mr. Hill has things that he wants me to do, but people have been asking me about math and what math expectations are, so here they are. So every day Miss Spears has a YouTube video that she wants me to watch. So if I go back to this slide and I click on her YouTube channel, it takes me right over here to YouTube, and I can see her lessons on here. So if I go to her videos, I can find the date I need. So this is Monday, April 13th. I can go to her YouTube channel and find 418 or 413, 413, yeah, this one right here. And if I click on that video, I can actually watch her do her daily lesson plan. And she tells me what book pages I gotta do with it. So I'm gonna get my math book out. I'm gonna follow along with the video and fill in the blanks as Ms. Spears talks about so I can learn those math skills, all right? All right, and then I go back to my lesson plan at the end of the day, or the end of this video, and, wrong button. I go here, and I see she wants me to do page 465 after I watch that video so I can practice that math skill some more. Oh, but look, if I join her for Zoom that day, she will actually do this page with me, and I can get answers from her as I do them with her on Zoom. Well, isn't that nifty? So you can get those on there if you want to. She's okay if you don't get on Zoom though, because she knows it's kind of hard sometimes for people to do that. So she's not too worried about that. But what's real important is that you watch the video and you do the practice at the end. So at the very end of the week, each week, Miss Spears sends out a Google form. And that Google form has a couple questions from each video. She had me watch a video first here, and then she had me go do the Google form. Well, here's where I find my Google form. I gotta go to Google Classroom. So I'm gonna go back to my email. I'm gonna go to these little dot things over here, and I'm gonna go to Google Classroom. Okay, y'all with me so far? Okay, I'm gonna click on the class, and then I'm gonna go up here to classwork. Okay, classwork, this shows me everything I need to do and everything I've been doing. So if I got these gray dots mean that I finished it, or it's too late to turn it in. It's too late, it's kind of old. These purple dots mean that I still have time to do it. And it's got over here, tells me when that is due and when I should get those things done. So Mr. Hill's got some things up for me. I'll go back and do those later. Miss Smith's got some stuff up here too. But here's Mrs. Spears. So this is what people have been asking me about. So I'm gonna go in here. It looks like, oh, this one's gray. I don't know why this one's gray, but I need to do this one. This is the one for this week. So the week of April 20th and 24th, I'm gonna click on that. And I'm gonna, oh yeah, it's great because I did it already. That's right. See, she returned it, but it doesn't have a grade on it. I wonder why I didn't do that. So I'm gonna click on view assignment. And it looks like, oh, I didn't actually do my assignment. Uh-oh. Looks like Mrs. Spears said that example student, that's me. You did not fill out the Google form for this assignment, so I am returning it to you so you can go back and try it again. Oh, oops, I didn't do my assignment. Well, okay, let's look at this again here. I guess this is a little embarrassing, but I guess I'll try to show you how to do this. Well, oh, I just hit the button that said mark is done. I didn't actually do the assignment. So I'm gonna go in here, I'm gonna click on the Google form. Oh, I got answered the questions, but look, she's awesome. That Mrs. Spears, she's an awesome person. She put the page numbers for us and she put what number it was. So I'm just gonna go back to my math book and I'm gonna go to page 499. 499. Page 499. And I'm gonna put in my answer from number 10 and put it in here. But I was an awesome student. I watched all my videos, did all my practice homework pages for the week. So all I have to do is put in the answer. But when I forget to do those things, I actually have to figure it out. And if I didn't watch the video, then I don't know how to do it. So it's always good to watch your videos, do your practice pages, then on Friday, go in and do your Google form. Because if you've done all those things, then Google forms are be easy peasy lemon squeezy, okay? So I'm gonna answer that. I'll answer all these questions. And once I answer all the questions, I'll hit submit because that's how Mrs. Spears will be able to grade my assignment, okay? So if I go back to Google Classroom, once I have submitted again, I can hit resubmit and she can grade it and give me some feedback after that part, okay? I can also find it over here. So if I click view all, this is all my assignments, y'all. This is everything I've been doing and things I need to do. So I already turned this one in, so I fixed it. So I hit the check mark box, that's good. That's good. Assign means that it's not due yet. It's due soon, so I gotta do those. Missing means it's past due. It is late, y'all. So you gotta make sure you get those things done, okay? But you can also use filters. You can see still what's been returned to you, so you can see what your grades are. You can see what you're behind on, and you can see what you still need to work on for the week, okay? But people want to know about math, so that's what I'm saying. Math is all on here. Each week you're going to get that Google form. But each day, Mrs. Spears, she's so awesome. She sends you the lesson plans every single day, too. So in case you forget to where you put your lesson plans for the week, she has got it every single day on the stream for Google Classroom. So she'll get those posted for you, too. But if you still have questions, you are always welcome to email her. She's so sweet. She'll email you right back and let you know what you're supposed to do so you can get right back on track, y'all. If you have any questions, you can ask me, example student, or you can email Mrs. Spears and she'll get right back to you. Goodbye, friends. I'll talk to you later. Whoa. It was me, guys. I was in disguise all along. Isn't that funny? See, it was me. It was me. In case you weren't aware, in case you hadn't figured that out yet, it was me. I was in disguise. But I wanted to show you what Google Classroom looks like from a student's perspective. So if I log into my account, I can't actually show you what you're supposed to do as a student. It looks different. So I wanted to make sure I showed you those things from a student account. If you have any questions, just send me an email, send me a Dojo message, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Bye.